Hello everyone, I want to show you how you can take out the fuel pump connector when you get broken. Like this is pretty easy and simple to break this one. Since it's plastic, it's not strong at all. Just lifting up the gas tank, you can get this broke. So I found out the way how to take it off, okay, from the fuel pump AC, and I'm gonna show you how. To make it easy, I have already take it off, okay, before, and the spring seal clip is over here, okay. It came out pretty nice, with no damages, okay. This one goes just over here, okay. And let me show you how to do this. Let's put it back on. So first of all, I suggest you guys to take the sender out because it's very fragile. It's easy to bend, to break. To do this, you must just pull up a little bit in this way and pull it up. There, okay, you take it off. So it's a simple grip plier, okay, and lock it in on the elbow, pretty tight, okay. You don't need, if you bend a little bit or smash a little bit the elbow, you need to change anyway. So you put on the vise on the side of the plier, okay, and using a pry bar at this point. I don't know if you can see well, but you can holding your fuel pump AC and pry between the vise and the fuel pump housing, okay, really strong, in this way, pushing this one on the vise and the round part on the fuel pump housing, and you trying to keep the fuel pump housing straight as much as possible to the elbow, okay. And it will be pretty hard because the spring seal clip is really hard to force it out. So you can pushing, and it will come out. That's it. And then you buy your new one, your new elbow, and replace it. And if you need it, your seal clip spring will be still good. If you need it, you can put it back if you buy a stock one, or I think somewhere they have a stock for sale, or otherwise you can find something made in aluminum. Okay guys, hope it can help you for the next round. If something happened to you, you find a way to take this off, because this is possible. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.